Welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cancel a domain on Namecheap step by step. If you no longer need a domain or want to stop it from renewing, this guide will walk you through the process. First, log into your Namecheap account and go to your dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Domain List. Find the domain you want to cancel and click Manage next to it. Inside the domain settings page, look for the Auto Renew option and turn it off. This ensures that your domain will not renew when it expires. Next, understand that most domains cannot be fully canceled for a refund once they are registered. Instead, you simply let the domain expire by not renewing it. If your domain is still within the refund period, which is usually very short, you can contact Namecheap support to request a cancellation and possible refund. Finally, confirm that auto-renew is turned off and no payment method will be charged. Your domain will remain active until the end of its registration period. Then it will expire automatically. If this tutorial helped you, like the video and subscribe for more simple guides.